So now I gotta wash my car. Pre-tow. Sticker glue. Oh yeah. Now that we got to Tunes, we're gonna just go and have a look at the cars that have rocked up, because there is plenty here. Jaden's brought his camera out, and I forgot to introduce him. This is Jaden, he's my mate from TAFE. We've got a pretty good selection here. Look at this monster truck. Oh my God, Keenan's here. I gotta find him. Keenan brought his R34 that he just got back after the diff blew. He didn't make it to yesterday, but it's funny. I put in the chat that I found his car, but he was at my car this whole time, so now we're doing the switcheroo. He's probably gone back towards his car, I think. Wait, oh no, I see him. Keenan.
Oh shit.
Hello. I actually went to your car when you said that.
I just went to yours.
We just did a switcheroo right there. Mutu. Oh, this is sick. The Escort.
I buy mine now.
You should. It'll be fun.
Put a full cage at the back.
Yeah.
These things are fun. I feel like I could easily drift.
Ford Escort. Were they Australian delivered, or were they just imported from UK?
These were Euro made, no?
Yeah, they were Euro. I'm kind of tempted to bring out my camera gear and start recording.
I've got my boat.
Oh, hello.
Manual swap?
Is it manual? Yeah, it is, boy. Dude, I've been meaning to catch up with you, but man, dude, get in the driver's seat. You might need to push your seat back, I think.
Oh,
that's
pedal?
a third pedal. That's my third brake. Well, second brake. Yeah, so I just met a viewer. This is Yun, and he drives this awesome N Performance. So it's a Hyundai N Performance. It's in Performance Blue, which is a factory Hyundai color code, which is awesome. It's kind of like a baby blue, but just a little bit flatter. It's parked next to another N Performance, and it's got a similar red accent to it, which is sick. This is so cool. It's like you're like in color, and this is like black and white. It is great to meet you, by the way.
You too, you too.
But yeah, this video should hopefully be up after I release the next 3 videos.
Awesome.
But yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. It's great to meet you, by the way.
You too, you too.
Cheers. But yeah, that was very humbling. I haven't really met many subscribers before, but the fact that someone watches my videos and attended this meet is just amazing. But yeah, these are my mate's cars, pretty much matchy right here. I'm probably also gonna get copyrighted for this because of the music in the background, but oh well. Anyway, back to the video. What is that? Look, that is a weird place to put a bumper. That is so modified. We've been here for about a few hours now, and it feels like it's starting to dim down. A lot of the cars that we're filtering in have kind of filtered out, but I still feel like there isn't a lot to do at this meet besides buy expensive food and watch a lot of the cars that just roll in and roll out. The meet I felt was a little bit less diverse than most meets are. As you can see, my Skyline is now left alone and there's plenty of room to move. So that's kind of what happens towards the end of the day. But yeah, the meet has been fun, but yeah, I think I've just been to too many meets, so I've kind of lost the excitement for going to car meets. So I should probably take a break after the next few meets because it's getting a bit stale.